Alright, kiddos, you remember my number blocks, and you know how we do addition. So we're going to use our number blocks to help us do addition in an easier, quicker way. We've learned how to do this a couple video lessons. We're going to keep on working on it. Here you have the addition card 3 plus 6. So we're going to take a 3 block. 3 plus 6 more. Okay, this is 3 blocks, this is 6 blocks. If you put them together, how many do you have? Well, it's easiest to start with the biggest number, 6. You already know this is a group of 6, and you're going to add 3 more on. 6, 7, 8, 9. You can do that in your head. You don't have to have blocks or crayons or things to do that, or even use your fingers. If you can just remember, start with the biggest number and add on, it will help you do your addition quicker. So here's your biggest number, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, are you wondering about this banana? I do have something to tell you about this banana, but you're going to have to wait. It's my friend. His name is Bobby. Bobby Banana. All right, let's try another one. Here we have 3 plus 7. So here I'm going to take my 3 block again, and I'm going to take my 7 block. Okay? Now what is your biggest number between 3 and 7? It's 7, right? You know this is a set of 7. You do not have to recount 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't need to do that. You already know it's 7. So start at 7 and add 3 more. 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, Bobby. All right. So your answer of 3 plus 7 is 10. Let's try another one. We got lots of 3s here. Let's see if we can find something else besides 3s. Here's a good one. 4 plus 4. Now these are like numbers. 4 plus 4 more. Well, they're both the same number, so it doesn't matter where you start. So we'll start with one group of 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, let's try another one. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Okay, what is your biggest amount? The 6, right? You don't have to recount a group of 6. You're starting at 6, 6, adding 2 more. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. It makes it much quicker to do addition. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 more. Well, they're the same number, so it doesn't matter where you start. But we know this is a group of 2. 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 more. Which one's the bigger group? 4. So start at 4. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Oh, here's a hard one. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. Okay, which one's your bigger group? 6's. So you're going to start at 6, and you're going to count 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. You see my nice banana? I'm going to show you something in a minute. He's having a bad day, my banana. We'll find out why. Ooh, here's a hard one. 4 plus 10. And you say, I don't have that many fingers. You don't have to use fingers. You need to start with your biggest group. Here is a 10 group of blocks. 10. 4. 4 plus 10. You know this is a set of 10. You don't have to recount it. You know it's 10. So start at 10 and add 4 more. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Or if you're doing it in your head, you can say 10, then add 4 more. 11, 12, 13, 14. If you have to use your fingers if you must. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. Aren't these awesome blocks? They're fun, aren't they? Now you know 8 is already a group of 8. It's your biggest set. You're going to start here at 8, and you're going to add on to it by 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or if you're using your fingers, you start at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Which one's your bigger group? The 5. So start knowing that this is 5. You don't need to recount it. You know it's 5. 5. 6, 7, 8. Or if you're using your fingers, think of 5 and add 3 more. 6, 7, 8. Makes adding much quicker. Let's see, another one besides a 5's group. Let's do this one. 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10. Now normally you'd say, wow, that's so big. Well, actually, it's just easy. Okay, you're starting with your biggest group. Your biggest group is 10. 10. It's a set of 10. You don't need to recount it. So start at 10 and count up. 10, 11, 12, 13. Easy as that. Easy as pie. It does not need to be hard. 3 plus 10 was 13, and it only took you a couple seconds to figure it out. I'm going to skip that one because I don't have a 11 blocker. Let's do this one. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Now, which group is bigger? They're both big, but which group is bigger? The 8, right? Do you need to recount it? No. You're going to start at 8. You know this is 8. We're going to add on to it 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See how quick and easy that was? Because you didn't have to count it all. You start with 8, you add on 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. See the big addition you're doing now? Let's do this one. 6 plus 6, that's a good one. 6 plus 6 more. Now, is there one that's bigger than the other? No. There's not. So you're just going to start at the beginning. You know this is a set of 6. You don't have to recount it. We're going to start at 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. All right, 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. One tiny little one. You're going to start with your biggest number, 7, and you're going to add up 1. 7, 8. 7, 8. You didn't have to recount 7. You already know 7 is 7. You have to just add one more on. Let's do this last hard one, and then I'm going to show you why I have a banana here today. 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10. Yeah, that's pretty long, and that looks pretty hard, but it's not, okay? You're going to start with your biggest set. Which one's your biggest set? 10. Do you have to recount 10? Well, why? You already know it's 10. You're going to start at 10. You're going to add on 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is something you can do. You may be 5, but you can add big numbers. You start with the big number and add on. Now, real quick before we go on with these, which we will, we're going to see what the problem with Bobby Banana is today. We'll see what we can do about it. Aw, Bobby Banana's sad. Well, Bobby, why are you so sad? Oh, Mrs. Parris, it's just terrible. I have a splitting headache. You have a splitting headache? Yes. And I just don't know what to do about it because after all, I'm just a banana. Oh, well, did you take some Tylenol? Bananas can't have Tylenol. Well, let's check you out here. Well, I don't see anything wrong with you except you got some brown spots. Do you think that might be the problem? I don't know. Do brown spots make you have headaches? Well, Bob, I'm not a banana doctor. I'm just not. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, just lay me down and watch me be miserable. Okay, Bob, I'm sorry. Me too. Just lay me down. Oh, gently. Oh. Okay, Bob. I'm sorry you don't feel good. We'll come back and see if you feel better at the end of our lesson, okay? Okay. Shh. Does anybody have a blanket for Bob? Oh, no blankets for Bob's. Sorry, Bob. It's okay. All right. Let's continue, students. Bob, you just rest. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Okay. What's your bigger set? Your bigger set is 8. So you don't need to recount it. You already know it's 8. 8, 9, 10. 10. All right. So 2 plus 8 was 10. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. What's your bigger set? 5. You don't need to recount it. 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. That's a lot of blocks. That might look a little intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. All right, so we're going to start with the biggest set. What's your biggest set? 8. 8. We know this is set of 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. You just figured out a really big problem. That's great. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. What's your bigger set? 3. Do we need to recount it? No. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 3. Do we have to start with one? Is one bigger than the other? No, they're the same. 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Which one's the biggest set? 5. Do we need to recount it? No. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Students, the whole reason we do this is to make sure you start with the bigger number and count up. Make it quicker to do addition so you don't have to use your fingers so long. Now, let's check up on our friend Bob. Bob, are you feeling better? Unfortunately, no. This is just a really awful, terrible, no good day for bananas. Oh, I'm so sorry. Is it because of all the storms we've been having? I just don't know. I feel achy all over. I have a splitting headache. Well, Bob, the best thing I can think of to do is to open you up and see what the problem is. Can we do that? Oh, please do. All right. Well, can we open you from up here? Oh, will it hurt much? I don't think so. Let's just go ahead and do it. All right. You feel better there? Oh, such relief. Well, maybe there's a problem with you, Bob. There must be some reason you have such a splitting headache. Oh my goodness, Bob. How did you do that? Bob, look at you. No, you did have a splitting headache. How did you do that? You were closed and you were split at the same time? Whoa. Bob, you are cool. You just did a magic trick. You were all the way closed and somehow you were split. No wonder you were so sad. Poor Bob. You did have a splitting headache.